Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and subscribers, welcome back YouTube family. Thank you for subscribing. If you like this type of content, we do nail videos and hair videos every week. Please subscribe and join our YouTube family. So today I am going to be prepping my mannequin hand, my practice hand, so that I can bring you guys some new content of nail designs and doing some nail forms this year. So please enjoy. I am right now trying to match up the sizes for the fingers, and they're actually very small sizes that I'm going to be using. They're between sizes 6 through 8 that I use for all 5 fingers, which is not really realistic because most thumbs are a lot bigger than that. But I'm just practicing, so it'll work for now. So it takes me a while to figure out that index finger. I measure it several times, and then finally I just decide to clip off a tip and file it down to actually fit the nail bed of the index finger. I think that was the longest time it took for me, was to figure out the sizes. Once I get these sizes all together, I will be applying these tips and I will be showing you how. I'm taking the nail drill just to try to drill the shine off the nail bed so that the acrylic can adhere to it better. I don't really know if it's making a big difference with the acrylic because I haven't done this before, but it's worth a shot. So I'm taking a small thin layer of acrylic and I'm placing it on the nail bed, and then I squeeze the nail tip onto the finger. Now, doesn't work really that well. So the next fingers, I'm going to do a light layer of acrylic on the nail bed, but I'm also going to apply the acrylic to the tip, which I'm doing here. That seemed to work very well. I was able to adhere all the nail tips, and this is the final look.